ratio formula. Okay, that means A and B end points of the line segment AB is a line segment. Okay, now coordinates of A are x1, y1, z1. Now coordinates of B are x2, y2, z2. x1, y1, z1, x2, y2, z are coordinates of A and B. Now let P is any point on the line segment P of x comma y comma z is any point on the line segment AB. That means either internal point or external point. Here P is internal point. Maybe P is either internal or external. Here P divides the line segment AB. Here internally. Here P divides the line segment AB. In what ratio? AB is to PB. Now the ratio in which the point P of x, y, z divides the line segment AB is, that means AB is to PB. AB is to PB is equal to the ratio is x1 minus x. x1 minus x is to x minus x2. x minus x2 ratio in which point P divides the line segment AB is, or same formula in terms of y, that is equal to y1 minus y. y1 minus y is to y minus y2, or same formula in terms of z, that is equal to z2 minus z1 minus z is to z2 minus z2. రేషియో ఫార్ములా అంటే లైన్ సెగ్మెంట్ యొక్క ఎండ్ పాయింట్స్ ఇచ్చినప్పుడు P is any point on the line segment P కోఆర్డినేట్స్ కూడా ఇచ్చినప్పుడు P అనేది AB లైన్ సెగ్మెంట్ మీద ఉంది కాబట్టి డివైడ్ చేస్తుంది either internally or externally. డివైడ్ చేసే రేషియో is equal to, if ratio is positive P divides the line segment AB internally. If ratio is negative P divides externally. Okay, this is the ratio formula, very very important. Okay, next one. Already we know that if any 3 points, not only 3 or more points lies on a same line are called collinear points. Collinear means 3 or more points lies on the same line are called collinear. Here P divides the line segment AB means P lies on the same line. That means A, P, B are collinear points. For our convenience, let this is equal to x2, y2, z2 and the x3, y3, z2. Okay. Now this is equal to x1 minus x2. x1 minus x2 is to x2 minus x3. x2 minus x3. Similarly, y1 minus y2. y2 minus y3. Similarly, z1 minus z2 is to z2 minus z3. Now ratio is, and these 3 ratios are equal. That means x1 minus x2 by x2 minus x3 is equal to y1 minus y2 by y2 minus y3. That is equal to z1 minus z2 by z2 minus z3. 3 ratios are equal. And if A, P, B are collinear, then that means this is the condition for the given 3 points to be a collinear. Manaku 3 points collinear aithe, collinear kavalante, then condition is x1 minus x2 by x2 minus x3, y1 minus y2 by y2 minus y3, z1 minus z2 by z2 minus z3. This condition. Okay, next, it is very very important relation if 3 points are collinear. If given 3 points are collinear, then its determinant 3 cross 3 determinants becomes 0. That means x1, y1, z1, next x2, y2, z2, next x3, y3, z2, 0. If given 3 points are collinear, then its determinants is 0. But converse need not be true. That means if determinant is equal to 0, given 3 points need not be collinear. Collinear కావాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. బట్ collinear అయితే మాత్రం determinant 0 అవుతుంది. collinear కావడానికి కండిషన్ ఏంటంటే వెరీ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ రిలేషన్, ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఫార్ములా, రేషియో ఈక్వల్ గా ఉండాలి. ఓకే, ఇది వెరీ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ వన్. Here line segment AB. Now consider a plane. Here plane. Now in this diagram, this plane divides the line segment AB at P. P the divides at P P. Here internally, here the plane divides the line segment AB at P in what ratio? At AP is to PB. AP is to PB. Now that ratio is equal to what? How to find the ratio in which the plane divides a given line segment AB? Let this plane is called XY plane. That means coordinate plane. Let this plane is called XY plane. That means XY plane divides the line segment AB at P in the ratio AP is to PB. That ratio is equal to XY plane. ఇందులో లేని టర్మ్ Z కాబట్టి మైనస్ Z1 is to Z2 minus Z1 is to Z2. If this plane is called YZ plane అయితే ఇది YZ plane అయితే YZ plane divides the line segment AB in the ratio అంటే YZ లో term X that is called minus X1 is to X2. Similarly, if this plane is called ZX plane అయితే ZX plane divides the line segment AB in the ratio minus Y1 is to Y2. If this ratio is positive, divides internally. If ratio is negative, divides externally. Okay. Now what is the point P? P is the point of intersection of the line segment AB and the plane. How to find the coordinates of P? And first we find the ratio of this plane divides the line segment AB. First, ఈ plane AB line segment divide చేసే రేషియో కనుక్కోవాలి. రేషియో వస్తుంది. Let M is to N. Then using the section formula యూజ్ చేసి కోఆర్డినేట్స్ ఆఫ్ పాయింట్ P యొక్క కోఆర్డినేట్స్ కనుక్కోవచ్చు. ఇది ఎంసెట్ లో ఈ ఫార్ములాస్ మీద డైరెక్ట్ క్వశ్చన్స్ అడుగుతున్నాడు మనకు. XY ప్లేన్ డివైడ్ చేసే రేషియో, YZ ప్లేన్ డివైడ్ చేసే రేషియో, ZX ప్లేన్ డివైడ్ చేసే రేషియో. XY ప్లేన్ లేని టర్మ్ Z, YZ ప్లేన్ లేని టర్మ్ X, ZX plane లేని టర్మ్ Y. మైనస్ is not a part of the ratio. మైనస్ రేషియోలో పార్ట్ కాదు. మైనస్ మీన్స్ either మైనస్ మీన్స్ డివైడ్స్ ఎక్స్టర్నల్. ఇఫ్ పాజిటివ్ అంటే టోటల్ గా ఫైనల్ రిజల్ట్ ఇఫ్ రేషియో ఇస్ పాజిటివ్ plane divides like segment AB internally. If ratio is negative, divides externally. Okay, this is called the ratio formula. Okay, now consider a triangle. Already we know that what is the triangle. Let ABC or vertices. ABC is a triangle. ABC are vertices of a triangle. AB, BC, C are the sides of a triangle ABC. Okay. Now here D is the midpoint of side BC. Similarly, E is the midpoint of side AC. F is the midpoint of side AB. D, E, F are midpoints of the sides of a triangle. Now the line segment joining the vertex and midpoint of the opposite side is called median through A. Similarly, the line segment joining the vertex and midpoint of the opposite side is called median through B. Similarly, median through C. AD, BE, CF are called medians. These three medians are concurrent, that means intersecting at only one point. The point is called centroid of a triangle AB. Centroid of a triangle AB. Centroid of a triangle AB. And is denoted by capital G. Okay. Now here we observe that here the centroid divides each median internally in the ratio 2:1. Centroid G divides each median in the ratio 2:1 from the vertex side to this one. Centroid divides each median in the ratio 2:1 from the vertex. That means G is the point of intersection of the medians of a triangle. Now for a suppose x1, y1, z1, x2, y2, z2, x2, y2, z2, x3, y3, z3, x3, y3, z3 are coordinates of vertices. Then centroid of a triangle ABC, G is equal to formula we know that already. Sum of the x coordinates by 3 అంటే x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3. Okay, next y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. Okay, next z1 plus z2 plus z2 plus z3 by 3. ఇది centroid of a triangle. Okay, now G divides the each median in the ratio 2:1. This is very important. Now here AD is equal to what? AD అంటే length of the median is equal to AD is equal to from this AG plus GD plus GD, that is equal to AG plus GD means this is a one part, total 3 parts లో 1/2, కాబట్టి that is equal to total parts 3 లో ఇది 1/2 అంటే 1/2 of that is equal to పాస్ చేస్తారా సార్ 1/2 of AG 1/2 of AG or 1/2 of AG.